right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. And we are currently at a Buc-ee's on our way to Dallas for Texas 2K. We're probably gonna get some action tonight. This is gonna be my first and probably last pit stop because we're just gonna shotgun it all the way over there. I'm at like 3/4 of a tank. I have 2 extra jugs of E85, and I got a damn drive shaft for a homeboy in the car. So we trucking. Now there's actually somebody pulled over on the other side of this Buc-ee's, which is crazy. We're not even near Dallas yet. Mustang just pulled up over there. This week's gonna be pretty interesting, man. We gotta be smart about it. We gotta be safe. So if you guys are headed out to Dallas, make sure you guys are driving safe. Make sure you guys are being smart. I'm literally driving like 58, 59 mile an hour on the highway right now because I ain't giving nobody an excuse. I heard that they're going crazy. Like if you're on a drag pack, they're pulling you over, obviously. They got the ET Street Eyes. So we gonna be safe about this, y'all. We got a few hours to go, not too bad. And probably get active tonight. I think there's going to be some pretty interesting cars to run. Once I get there, I'm going to have to let the car cool off for like 30 minutes at least because we are going to be straight just shotgunning it there. I do not plan on stopping again unless I have to go to the bathroom. So yeah, if you guys are enjoying the content, feel free, drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. There literally is a cop over here, and I think he is waiting for me. So we're getting the fuck out of here. He literally is, I don't know if you guys can see this, but he's literally parked over there. That's the same cop that pulled over the, there's a Super right over there. Yeah, let's get the hell out of here, guys. For real. All right, y'all, so we got out of that Buc-ee's. Man, that was actually kind of sketch. I can't believe that cop pulled somebody over and then literally kind of went looking for me, because the crazy thing is I parked on like the other side of Buc-ee's to go inside, and then I moved to a location that had light, and I saw the guy had pulled somebody over, so I'm like, let me go ahead and move my car. And then I moved my car, and then he just comes over there like, dog, like, come on now. It's insane, man. It's probably gonna be literally a cat and mouse game the entire week. I guarantee it. It's just moving from spot to spot to spot, you know, not trying to stay anywhere too long and whatnot. It's gonna be interesting, man. It's gonna be interesting. But we're gonna be safe, smart about it. You know what I'm saying? If we don't got spotters, we don't, you know, have the area on lockdown, obviously I ain't gonna run. Plus, like, I'm about to be driving another 2 hours to get to where I need to go, so I'm gonna have to let the car cool down. For real. Like, I ain't driving fast, but I for real gonna have to let the car cool down. But yeah, I'll catch y'all, I guess, kind of when we get closer, or cause I'm definitely not gonna run nobody along the way there. You know what I'm saying? That'd be stupid. I got like a car full of stuff. But I'll catch y'all when we get, you know, to the spot, or, you know, I'll link up with my boy because he's already down there. But we'll see what's going on, y'all. We'll see what's going on.
One eternity later.
All right, we're here. Couple cars. I don't know what's done to any of these cars, but we're gonna try some of them out. Let my shit cool down. ZR1s. Yeah, this is fucking clean. Dang, this is clean as hell, dude. On the TEs too, you know, that gets down. 370, hell yeah. Couple Z06s over there. Gen 1, some nice ass cars here for real. Try to get a race. This is actually sick. 15s, aerospace brakes, damn.
You see his calipers in the front?
Yeah, race brakes.
Calipers, the rotors?
Yeah, race brakes. Fuck. I want to run this car low key. I'm gonna get gap, but that'd be a good run probably. Interesting.
A few moments later.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed those runs. I'm at yet another Buc-ee's. On the way back home to Houston now. I will be back. I think I honestly might come out tomorrow, I ain't gonna lie. If not, come back Friday and Saturday. That was a cammed and pro-charged C6 auto car. And then I ran the Z01, which was cammed, and some other things. I will go ahead and get the information. I don't remember it specifically, but badass runs, man. That was nice, man. That was nice. Still on the 8-pound pulley. ET Street R's, hooking the car up nice. Now the car actually did cut when I shifted into 4th gear. The car was literally about to be at like a half a tank, if not just got to half a tank. So I'm gonna have to make sure I'm doing the runs like probably 3/4 of a tank full, because I don't want that to happen again. But luckily we were still able to hold off the Z01. He was pulling up, I ain't gonna cap. I let this thing ride out all 4th gear, which is like 150 mile an hour. Do apologize, like we're next to the highway and it's busy, you know what I'm saying? Like this side of town is busy for real. Whew. I know that wind noise is probably OD, but it is the wee hours of the morning. About to go ahead and continue our journey back to Houston. But so far, so good. All right, so made another pit stop. We are back at the Buc-ee's in Madisonville, man. Trucking along, trucking along. Whew. This one's actually pretty busy. This one is pretty busy. Probably about to be crazier tomorrow too. because we about to do this journey most likely again. Go ahead and put some E85 in here. Driving 60 mile an hour on the highway, 15 under the speed limit. Actually getting some pretty damn good MPGs, I'll tell you that right now. Whew. All right, well, I'll catch up with y'all when we kind of get closer to Houston.
One eternity later.
All right, we're back at the casa. Ladies and gentlemen, we made it home. Man, I really drove 3.5 hours, got some runs in, and immediately drove back in the wee hours of the morning. I'm gonna try to make it out tonight for some more runs, but I'm not gonna lie, I crashed when I got home. So I literally just took no breaks, I just shotgunned it. Obviously made a couple stops to use the bathroom, but I was tired. It's like 3 o'clock. I don't think I'm able to go ahead and get this video edited, do my daily activities that I need to get done, and make it out there at a reasonable time. And it's supposed to rain apparently, and you know, it's just too far to drive on radials. Don't have a truck and trailer. I literally am just driving this car, so I might just pull back up. Honestly, I might just pull up like Thursday. I might just spend the whole day today trying to get everything done for like Thursday, well actually technically not even Thursday, Friday and Saturday, so I can just go down tomorrow and then just stay, you know, Thursday night and Friday night, and then leave like Saturday morning. That's probably what I'm gonna do. That's probably the smarter decision. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, the runs. D1SC Pro Charger, 8 pounds, long tube headers, E85. Car's putting in some work. I need to get an oil change because I'm at like 2,300 miles, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. If I don't even get that done today, I'm definitely not gonna drive down again because I put quite a few miles on the car. So gonna get the oil changed. And if y'all wanna run, you know, hit me up on Instagram. Link at the top of the description. I already have some things locked in. Was supposed to be tonight, but it might rain and honestly might not make it out, but it's all good. We'll get them done Friday and Saturday. It's been your boy Ears. Whew. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. I'm gonna actually go see, like, at my top, they hook it up, but and they're kind of starting to go down. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting some fucking miles in ET. I shouldn't be doing this on the ET Street R's because I'm technically wasting the tires, but hey, you know, it's Texas 2K. It is what it is.